Sometimes in life, you just got to open that front door, leave all the materialistic things behind, and take that step into the unknown. It's what we're born to do. So come on, come along, and enjoy the journey.
You alright?
Yeah. Say now, I can't even hear that chopper now.
Get to the chopper! Get to the chopper!
No, it's gone off, isn't it?
Can it?
Get a kit.
Fucking bastard.
So we've got some old ruins of an old building here. Wonder what used to live in this. Proper like old school, like, innit? Wonder if that was like fucking hell! And here we have the Neanderthal man. Morning peoples, welcome to day 3. We're all packed up, ready to go. So got about 8 miles, some stunning scenery to come, so plenty of updates along the way. I'm not doing much talking as usual, even though I like to blab on. So yeah, it's goodbye to the chopper. Hate to say, Moric.
Get to the chopper!
Just looking forward to some sleep tonight, really. Yeah, because of that fucking thing.
We've repacked his rucksack so it's not looking like a Clampit. Berghaus Clampit 65
ton.
No, it won't. Anyway, yeah. So peeps, let's crack on.
Get to the chopper!
Right, final leg, 8 miles. Let's do it. Boosh.
Let's do it.
See you in a bit. Oh yeah, it looks better, mate.
Get to the chopper!
That's a nice swim spot. Nice place to camp though, innit? Yeah. Up there. Yeah. See, that's where we should have walked, mate.
I know.
He knows. Get to the chopper!
Electrolytes.
I can understand.
Yeah, and he kept saying it. When they call women hens, don't they?
Yeah.
Do you ken hen? My auntie Eleanor says it all the time. You ken?
You can understand. I can understand what fucking Mark's on about.
Feels like you know.
See a little bothy on the horizon. So we're gonna go see that bothy in front there. We're gonna go and have some breakfast in there. Get out of the wind. But look at this. Mark's just had a stupid moment. Oh, obviously, I filmed that. Look at that cloud and that. Wow. Just come across another old ruins. I wonder what diminished wee beast lived in these. So onto that little bothy there, have a brew. So let's go and have a look in. Right guys, you alright? Yeah. So yeah, you can use these if no one's in. Use it as a sleep. free charge. Just there's just a bit of bothy code. If you take work away, you don't leave any rubbish. Absolutely great place. So yeah, let's have a brew.
To sharpen that pencil, you're right.
What date is it?
It is the 22nd. Kid's house.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
I think I'm ready for a poo, you know.
Sorry about that. Yeah, that was good timing. That. Yeah. Anyway, so Moric's off for a crap. So I'm just filling in the visitors book, Snaps Life, and all that. Catch you in a bit. So nice brew in there. Take you outside. The compost toilet down there. Get out for this view. Whew. So probably about 6 miles, I think it is, back into Morvich. I've been saying Morvich, it's Morvich. So yeah, we've got these waterfalls to come, and then down at the bottom there's a hunter's lodge down there. So we'll re-establish, but probably have a brew, some dinner there, maybe a dip. We'll see what happens, and then off into Morvich. So brilliant! It's absolutely stunning. So from the bothy from now, catch you later. Woo! What can I say? This is just gets better and better. I don't know if this camera's doing it any justice, man. This is just biblical. Wow. I hope you're enjoying this, because I've not spoke too much, but this is phenomenal. got a pretty big descent now, so you know me in descending, so it's going to take me a bit. So, and then we're going to drop down into the valley, just in the bottom there, and there's a hunter's lodge. Can't get in it, like, but it's a good place. We can have some dinner, better dinner. You can have some bone broth and some chicken noodles. Love it. Speak to you in a bit. Oh, shaka! Ooh, that was a killer descent, that. Yeah, we've got to some hunting lodge here. It's not open, we can't go in it, but we're just having some dinner. What have you had, Moric?
I've just had what did I have? Pot noodle.
You like his pot noodles?
Thai green curry.
Pot noodles. I'm having a tin of mackerel and a cup of soup type thing. Ainsley Harriet. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh. You know what I mean? So, on that note, bit of this and a bit of that. What's his fucking punch phrase? Anyway, right, so got about 2.5 miles walk straight in now. It's on the 4x4 track, so it should be plain sailing. My knees are shot at, but we've nearly cracked it. So a big hurrah when we get to end, and a big hug. Not him, no, I'll be hugging me rucksack. I'm not fucking hugging fucking Yeti, there you go. Anyway, catch you in a bit. Huh?
Nice trail, that.
Right folks, we've literally about probably a mile maximum. We're both blowing out our arse, but we've done it near enough, so definitely yeah. How'd you say? Fucking stunning, what a place. But just to think that we went right up that gap, we would come right through that. Wow, blown away, no words. Probably I'll recap it all at bedtime and maybe another time, but I have no words for this except Bushaka. Well folks, just the last bit now. Oof. It's absolutely stunning. I'm digging in. Yeah, I won't lie, I'm beat up but feel amazing, if that makes sense. I've just hit a zone now where you just blank out basically and just go through the pain barrier. If anyone's done anything like this, you'll know what I'm on about. You just head down and just try and stomp out that last mile. Woo. But it's been so rewarding, unbelievable. I can't grasp it just yet because it's we're still a bit. It's not sunk in. I'm probably talking gibberish, ain't I? But it's been a blast, man. So I'm gonna shut up waffling. I'll show you the last bit of scenery, and then I will head into Morvich. And we've got a camp tonight there. Bus back in morning, but that's another story. Get out. So it's enough with the camera shit. Battery's getting low, so I just want to catch that last bit of when we get back to finish line. So I'll speak to you in a bit. Oh, not fair. Hey, not fair. Can do this. It's about half an hour. Woo! Battery's gone up phone, so lump it and ward it.
battery's gone, so the trip on with the thing will pick it up when I get back to the campsite and put plug on it. So plug. I can't even speak. Oh no! Look at the battery. What can I say? Mum! Mother! Mother! Anyway, I'll speak to you in a bit if I'm alive. My battery's going on this as well. So whatever happens, happens. Nearly there. Come on, lad. We've done it. Smashed it. Come on, brother.
It's been a long week, dead on my feet, I'm in it deep. Could use a break, some time away, go out and play. Let's go. So come on and get ready, come on and get ready. And giddy up, let's go have some fun, yeah, live it up, put your heels on.
Oh, we're in.
Good trip that, mate.
We're in. It's got a bit more to walk to campsite, but woo! I'll speak to you when we get to campsite. But for now, it's done. Woohoo! Yeah, baby! Shake it on, baby! Shake it! Shake it, shake it, shake it, baby! Now, shut up, Craig. Go to sleep.
Well, peoples. What can I say about that? Absolutely epic. I don't know how I'm going to end all this vlog or begin it or whatever, because I've got so much footage, content for you. So all I'm going to say, I'll do an ending. Oh, no, I should probably get it. I don't even know what I'm saying. Right, listen, bush. We've landed in Morvich. We're on the campsite. So I'm going to get a kip and that, and then we've got to walk back to the bus stop in the morning. So I'll bring you back in the morning, we'll have a talk and put a close to the video. In the meantime, I'll show you some clips from today. Just brought you back, people, because you're getting all emotional, man. Probably because I'm tired and that, but fuck it. I just want to add, like, you can achieve pretty much anything you want in life. I'll tell you now, you just got to deal with the demons, push them aside, and go out and grasp whatever you fucking want in life. If you want it, go out and fucking get it, because it's there to be taken. Sod all this crap that's hanging over everybody. It's there to be taken. Anyway, I'm talking shy, I'm tired, and it's been a hard slog, so rewarding, and I'm just trying to put a message across to you all that grab life by the fucking neck, shake it, and make it your own. See you tomorrow. Morning, people. Well, welcome to day 5, final day today, travelling back. We've all packed up, bag of rubbish, so it's a massive leave no trace this time. But yeah, I'm not hype about that, but yeah, that's all the rubbish collected through the trail, so I'm going to put that in a bin now, as you should do. Anyway, what I'm going to do with this vlog, I'm going to finish it off at home, because I need time to reflect on this one, because it's been immense. So what I'll do is, when I've got my head together and thought about it, because I'm not even sure how I'm going to produce it yet, because I've got so much content, whether I'm going to do it over a couple of days, I don't know yet. So I'm going to say goodbye from Morvich. And I will see you back at home, and then we'll round it up. So cheers for watching. I'll just get Moric to say goodbye. Look at that sun, Donny. Look at those clouds just wisping off the mountain here. Awesome. Have you any final words, Mike?
Wish these midges would piss off. No, it's been grand. Absolutely different world. Absolutely stunning. But yeah, so goodbye from me.
Yeah, I was just saying, I've not had chance. I can't. I've not took it in yet, so I don't. No. I'm not really time to reflect.
Yeah.
So I bet you it's the same, really.
Yeah, I'm just like, wow, still lost for words.
Awesome. Right. Okay, folks. I'll see you back at house. Well, people, what can I say? 3 weeks have passed now since the trip. And I've been trying to find the words to sum it up, and I can't, if I'm honest. It was just breathtaking, exhilarating, hard work, but the rewards was immense. And all I can say really is push yourself to the limit, because I tell you what, the rewards are just... Anyway, so what can I say about the trip? Big shout out to Moric. Yeah, Moric. Well, he's fighting his own demons, as we all are. But just as we set out on the first day, Moric found what was called a worry worm. Basically, it was just somebody had left a little present with a message saying, can you read that? I'm a little wormy worm, made especially for you. I carry happy thoughts with me, and in case you're feeling blue. Sometimes life is hard, but your burdens we can share. You found me at the perfect time to show that I care. Cool. So, I was taking a picture.
And in fact, and then I'm going to Facebook him when I get home.
Yeah, so you found it.
Yeah.
So yeah, he carried this all along, and when he got his selling a bit of a tiz, he got his worry worm out. Another little escapade with Mark is I've not made very clear on the third day. Get to the chopper. Well, I'll explain what that was. Basically, we ended up staying, Mark's choice, I'll never let him forget it. We ended up staying at the youth hostel, and right next to a wind turbine, which sounded like a get to the chopper. So it kept him up all night. I slept like a baby. So yeah, that's what the little bits, the reference to get to the chopper is. So moving on to the
campsite at Cannock. Absolutely gorgeous little campsite, fantastic. Loved it there. First day, those beautiful pine forests, but the path did drag on. Second day, in the Glen just opened up. We had that beautiful beach, absolutely stunning. Legs felt fine. I was knackered, my knees were hurting, but yeah. And then the final day into the mountains and then waterfalls were just epic, mate. So yeah, the overall trip was just, I can't fault it. It was just fantastic. I urge anyone to really set a little target for themselves and just get out there and do it. Just give it a shot. You don't need to do something I did. I mean, just, you know, set yourself a walk or just get out in that countryside. It just does the world for you. Anyway, yeah, so drone, Jesus. I'm actually just out on a walk now. I've just had a little fly over Preston Docks. Yeah, the drone. I'm so glad I didn't actually get it to work, because I would have fucking lost it. I had no idea what to do with it. So there was the gods was watching out for me then. So yeah, when we got to Morvich, the campsite, there, £21.50. I was going to book it in advance, but it was that price, and because it's a camping and caravan club, it's always more expensive. You've got to book through their website. So usually some of the campsites have like walk-on fees. So if you just walk on as a hitchhiker, backpacker, you're generally a bit cheaper. So we risked it anyway. We walked on £21.50. Fucking expensive that. But what can you do? There's nothing else around. We could have wild camped, but showers and electrics and stuff. And then in the morning, we met another YouTuber, Mastiff. I'll put the name below, and I'll give him a shout. Yeah, you should check out his channel. Similar type of thing. He does hiking and camping and stuff. So yeah, the walk into to the bus stop was absolutely breathtaking. We come across a loyalty box. So if you don't know the loyalty box is, basically it's just a box of food that people put in, home cooked stuff, and you just pay and you leave the money in the thing. Imagine that in Preston or in town centres. That's how life should be. Just opens your eyes to stuff like that. So yeah, that was the honesty box.
So £3. £3.
So we've just come across an honesty shop. So basically whatever goods that are in there, you take and you just leave cash in a little box. Not enough for that sort of thing in this world, is there? Eh?
No.
Put your money in and take your goods.
£4 in there.
Superb. So we're just off at bus. It's not a bad walk to bus stop, is it? So yeah, we went up to the Jacobite's Cafe. We got a butty there in the morning. I got black pudding and square sausage. Oh, it was good. It's like the first main meal we'd had for 5 days. It was nice. Mark got us the works. I don't know what he got on. Square sausage, black pudding, and haggis, I think. Yeah. So that was that. And then, because we got haggis in our head, Moric wanted to go to a butcher's, so we did leave a bit early and went into Inverness and got some stuff from a butcher's. And he got his big haggis, but I did eat it a few days later. Jesus, it was good. The square sausage was absolutely delicious. If you don't know what square sausage is, it's just like a square sausage, basically. Sausage meat, spices and stuff. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, so that's what we did in Inverness. Mark had a couple of pints as usual. He likes his pints, but yeah, I'm only joking. And yeah, the trip all around was just absolutely awesome. So people, I'm going to end the channel, the episode there. As always, give us a like, a subscribe, and a ding-a-ling-a-ling. And yeah, and hope to see you on some more adventures. I've got a few planned, so all's going good. So again, thanks for watching. Means the world. Hope you've enjoyed this one. A little bit different. Should go back to the old format after this one. But I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave some comments. It does help the channel, and it gives me feedback. So yeah, please give us a comment. And so all I've left to say is, remember people, smile, and life will smile back. See you later.